Guess what, y'all? We're getting ready to work with this killer ribbon right here. This is our combo we're going to be using to make this bow, and I think you're going to love it. Now, I'm going to start off with, these are all 1.5 inch ribbons, and that's going to give us a really fun loopy bow, which is exactly what we want because we're adding all these fun florals in. So we're going to keep it all with 1.5 inch ribbons. And I want to make sure, and I break up the solid with the dot, with the stripe, and just mix those all in. I'm putting the black in the middle to really help dominate that. And then I am going to put the yellow on the background so it really pops off of our base that we're using this bow on. So let's pull these to the side. I'm gonna grab yellow first and load it on my bow maker here. This bow is kind of the one that is draping down the door in our design, so I want to take and make sure I let it do that. So anytime you really want it to feel very long and drapey, you're going to go with 20-inch tail. It is my go-to. When I come to the center, I'm going to twist and just pull that. Now I'm going to start to make my first loops, which are going to be at 6 inches. I don't need it to be super huge. I'll make one on the left, one on the right, twist when you're going to make more loops. And I'm going in 6 inches here, and twisting, and I'm fluffing these up. And I hope you are excited to make this bow with me because we're going to build up on our design starting with this bow. So I love it. Now, both of these are at 20 inches long and beautiful. Like, think of it like your pretty ponytail in the back, and it's gonna, this case, it's gonna be in the front. It's gonna be bobbing up and down when the wind blows. Like, we want that to be sassy. Now, come in with your polka dot next. We're going to use it next, and I also want these tails to be long, but we'll go a little shorter. I love to tell a story with my ribbon, letting it kind of lay down and hang down. So we're going to do that right now. Bring my next layer in, and I'm going 16 inches here. Okay, and we're going to twist. No, 18 inches. I didn't go that much shorter, 18. And let's go a little bit smaller, 5.5, twist with our polka dot. 5.5 right here. Scrunch, we're just doing one loop of polka dot. We're gonna layer this bow up. Now you're gonna wanna grab your stripe ribbon, go next with it. And it's gonna be on the top layer here. So now a little bit shorter tail, so probably my 16 inches is correct this time. Shorter, twist, and I want these to be at 5. We're going to do 2 on either side. One on the left, one on the right, and we're going to keep building it up. Okay, and fluff those out. Make sure they look pretty good. I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter here. There we go. And cut those opposite. Fantastic. I love how we layered up. That's looking really good. I'm ready to take it off my bow maker, and so I'm going to grab my cable tie here, and I just run that right beside those main dowels and pull that up, add a little pressure. Okay, rotate that to the back. And what you're going to want to do now is take and shape it up how you want it to come together, and make sure you separate those layers out. So see all that dimension? That's really important. It'll make your work stand out and look that much better. We are always teaching that and doing that in design school, how important that dimension is. Whether it's in the bow or the design, it just makes things look so next level. Now, my other cable tie is going to go in the back, and we'll put a second cable tie in, and that's how we'll attach it to our finished piece. We're ready to put it in. You guys, if you're loving this bow, but you want to know where we use it in our design, just let me know in the comments, and we'll get you a link so you can go see where the bow ends up. We also will have all that information linked on our website. If you go over to Keleas.com and KELEAS.com. When you head over there, when a project is done, it usually will have a kit available. If it's a public kit, like this one's available to the public. We have special kits that are only available to our design school students, and we have exclusive products that are only available to them. But it will tell you all that on the website. You'll know where, if you can grab it, where you can see the video, if it's a public or private video. We've got all that posted on there for you. And we would love to have you in our class when you're ready. But when you're first starting, just come and join us on our page, and you can learn how to make gorgeous stuff like this bow. But better than that, we're going to show you how to use this on our finished design, and I think you're going to love it. All right, I will see you guys soon. Come see our finished video, and y'all have fun with flowers.